thank God number one. I am when you find a mobile. How much is money? One name nothing. I want IVM. I'm very dark man. I want to talk to you. Permission to use English, human name. I want to talk to you so that you will hear it. Me, I'm a very white man. You are a very huge man. I'm a very small man. Very dark man, but I'm when I said that the Igbos are joking with this protest. That the Igbos, why are they not protesting? Why are they making joke of this protest of a team? Making mockery of people that are already protesting? Yes, actually, we are joking with it because if you are Igbo too, you will also joke with it. But I want to tell you the reason why Igbos cannot protest or don't want to protest. Let me not put cannot, because we fit still join on. Number one reason is that, we are born protesters. Igbos, we are born protesters. My papa protests. My great-grandfather protest, may they give us Biafra. We are still protesting, may they give us Biafra. So we are born, even the Pekin where I go born, go protest. Igbos don't they protest, we don't they do protests before they born you, very dark man. Yes, so you cannot tell us how to or when to or where to protest. Yes, we protest when we want. I beg, if you watch this video, make sure say you share and make it reach that very dark man here, because this one is very, very important. Because I don't hear some people comment for that impost, where impost. After he talk this thing, when he talk, people come they comment under the post. Say, I like the way Igbos are digging grave for the 2027 election. On to say this joke where we the joke with this protest, say it go affect P2B for 2027 election. See, we know they even beg anybody to vote again. If you know still want vote to be, vote Tinubu, or you vote in Pekin, or you even vote Bugari, where don't come out. No, they know they tell anybody now. They know they tell a person. They know they tell a person. Yeah, even Timaya Singam. They know they tell anybody. Anybody where you like, still vote. Igbos go there. We go to survive. So very dark man, I want to give you 5 tangible reasons why Igbos don't want to protest. Number one reason why Igbos don't want to protest is that, as you see, say this you protest they go on since and nothing don't happen. They never shoot anybody. They never arrest anybody. Abi. Once Igbo come out, say they want protest now, you go begin see something like this. You know, no kind of military uniform where you no go see. You go see gorilla squad. You go see scorpion squad. You go even see monkey king. Monkey squad. No squad where you no go see. Yes. Then the second one is that very dark man. If we protest, they go tag us terrorist group. After all, the one where we protest without gun, made the releasing them, they still say a terrorist group. And now why they still keep the man for there? Now the protest where we do, now still keep the man for there. You see, so we don't enter too much problem inside protest. We just say, make we calm down, make we look the remaining 30, at 36 we there now, minus these 5 states where they share they no go feed do am. We just want them make we the look. I they speak English, make you the hear them. Yes. Then the third one. Because I hear Senate President they talk the other day, say this protest where they do it's sponsored by the opposition parties. So if we protest, they go say na P2B sponsor us. So we not just want to spoil the government. We just don't want to channel their mistake on us, because if we do something now, they go say na Igbo people. We not say na Igbo people, Igbo, and they know they even call Igbo. They call Igbo. That name, if I give some people, they call them Igbo. We are Igbos, not Igbo. Then the fourth one be say, as you see, so you notice say those people where die for NSAS. Those people where die for NSAS. For where them they go think say Nigeria done better. Yes, now they go think say Nigeria done better, but they no say it was. So if we come out now, here, boom, one person die. Share na candle night on a go do. Now let candle night on a go do. We never even still see justice for Mohbad. We want to bring another justice for another person. That one aside. Then very dark man, the fifth one is we are too busy in the market. If we come out to protest, now who go sell give owner? If anybody want buy anything, who go sell give owner? We get market, we get businesses where we they do. No matter the condition, if the dollar high, we high money, we high the price. the suffering go around. Yes, nah. So you want me to leave the market? If you can't leave the market, can't they protest? People will come by. People will come by, no see us, can't die out of say waiting the one by they no see and buy. What if they die? So check them two ways. Very dark man. You go understand what I they talk. I say if you be Igbo, you go still joke with the protest because check them now. All the protests where they protest now, nothing don't happen. But make Igbo just put mouth or put head or put ear. Even if say na only cap we put safe, they go cut and throw away. So I beg, make we just do on the load, they watch. So if una no fit do we fit join later. Thank God, sorry for using English.